So this is the Park Tools Deluxe single arm repair stand, and this is an older version that I had purchased secondhand long ago and got a really good deal on. I think I got this for really cheap, like $20 or $15. It was a little rusted up and had some issues, but I did a full restore on it, and it actually has the steel base, so this is kind of a professional grade stand. Now, and I got this quite a while ago. Now with the newer bikes with carbon frames, you don't typically clamp them as often. And so there's this aftermarket piece here. This is from Silca, and this is a holder for carbon frames. And the frame sits on top, and then you can strap it on like this. Now, this Silca piece alone is $150. A stand like this today, I think, runs about $1,000, and even a cheaper stand can be a few $100s. So you're looking at, $300-400 even for a cheaper version of something like this to get a carbon fiber bike frame on a stand to work on. Now, I'm actually going to sell both these pieces here, pocket the money, and then I have an alternative solution that I use, and I'm going to show you exactly what I use. And I think that's it's much cheaper, and I think it does just as good a job as this does. So here's the alternative that I'm using. I bought this $8 bike wall mount hanger from Home Depot, and it folds up so you could put this in a garage or anywhere. I have it just in front of my window here because this is actually my workshop in the basement, my wood shop. It's nice to be right next to the window here, and I actually have this piece of wood here mounted over the frame so that I can still close the shades. But yeah, this is working just fine. It holds the frame from the underside so that you don't have to worry about the carbon. It's nice and sturdy. Obviously, you don't want to be torquing down on this, but 90% of the things that I do on this bike, this does it for me. And also, this is my charging stand. I've got all of my charging organized. I've got my charger right here for my rear light, for my pedals here, and then my derailleur here. Those are all very well organized. And then for my heart rate monitor, for my computer and my headphones, I have that over on my bench. So this is all working really well. I just use this cord here to keep the front wheel from moving. And also I use this as a reminder to grab my front computer and my heart rate monitor before I go out the door. So for me, this does everything I need to. Anything I'm doing high torque for, if you're going to do pedals, if you're working on the hoods here or the stem or anything like that, even when I had a bike stand, I was removing the bike from the bike stand. I was standing over the bike, or I was putting it on my trainer if I'm working on adjusting the hoods or something like that. If I'm doing the pedals, again, I'm taking the bike off the bike stand anyway. I never really liked torquing heavily on bike stands. So to me, for a homeowner that has a single bike or just a few bikes and you're working on your own bike, this is a perfect solution rather than going with an expensive bike stand and possible adapters for it. And you can certainly pedal on here. If I take my chargers off, no problem. So if you want to throw some lube on here, you want to clean off your brakes, whatever you're going to do, basically everything you need to do, you can do right from this stand here, no problem. And just take the bike off if you're going to do something high torque. And for me, for $8, this is a no-brainer. Also, you can put these in multiple places around your property. Right outside the window here on one of my deck underposts, I have another one on there. And if I want to wash my bike, I take my bike right out there, plop it up on the stand, hose it off, wash it off. I've got a wash bucket here. Bring it back inside, let it dry off, do a little maintenance. So this is a nice setup for me. Anyone out there looking for a bike stand, looking for a cheaper alternative, this is a great solution. If you're not a professional and you don't own a bike shop, this is great for just a homeowner with a few bikes. So hopefully this helps somebody out there. Leave some comments in the comment section. Thanks.